What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, we just now broke our support and we're actually going down to the next support line. So this is what we're talking about in the previous Dogecoin video. Now we're going to continue to talk about it and what's going to happen next year with Dogecoin. But anyways, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Leave a comment in the comment section. Now let's go straight over Dogecoin here. So as you can see here, the market control is in control by the bears by 100%. So it's pretty much saying we're 100% in bearish right now, which is true. We're going straight down to this support line. But it's not just Dogecoin. And this support line is all the way around. A lot of people say 19 cents, but I think 18 cents is a stronger support. But 19 cents will definitely be a good support for us as well. But yeah, so it's the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin 1.4%, down 7.2% in the last 7 days. You see Ethereum not really down in the last 24 hours, but in the last 7 days, not really down much either. Ethereum kind of had its little recovery here, but Bitcoin, as you can see, down. You got Binance coin, you got pretty much everything inside the crypto market down. Shiba Inu is losing lots of market cap. Shiba Inu all the way down here at 21 billion market cap now, all the way at rank 13. So it's pretty much everything in the crypto market except all the really small market cap stuff, which is what I'm really focused on. And crypto.com just doing amazing things. Like the rewards I had in crypto.com, the $25 reward for signing up is not now almost at like $100, and I haven't really touched it. It's just sitting there. But we have a lot of good stuff going on in the crypto market. But let's talk about, when I say that, I'm saying talking about the lower cap stuff. Like if you look at my previous video, Solid ETH, oh, it's going crazy. Like you just want to look at that if you haven't seen it yet. ADA Cash took a little bit of a retracement period, but it's still doing some good numbers. And yeah, I'll make separate videos for those today. But right now it's Dogecoin talk. So let's talk about Dogecoin here. Now let's go over this. Dogecoin bulls grow impatient, trying to push Doge price to 26 cents. So yes, Dogecoin bulls are now getting impatient. But before we even go over that, have Doge and Sheep reached their local supports? So Doge right here, as you can see, Doge cannot fix above the area of the most liquidity around 24 cents, having confirmed ongoing bearish pressure. If the situation does not change, sellers may get the rate of the meme coin back to the blue support level at 1940, pretty much 19 cents. So that's where they're looking at the support level to go with Dogecoin all the way down to 19 cents. Now, Dogecoin price has been under some downward pressure for most of November. Doge price sees bulls not able to wait for solid support to restart an uptrend. And then if bulls could regain control of off the green ascending trend line, expect a restore of the uptrend. So Dogecoin has seen its price devalue rapidly because of global headwinds that have seen investors dive into safe havens like the yen and the greenback. So with the downturn, the Bulls' new game plan seems to have been to wait for momentum to build up at around 20 cents for the start of the next uptrend. So next price action today, however, shows a pickup of buy-side volume in bulls targeting 26 cents. So Dogecoin price sees knee-jerk reaction from bulls to squeeze out bears. So Dogecoin price has seen a pickup to buy-side demand by bulls impatient to get long prior to Doge price reaching 20 cents. So the relative strength index shows a knee-jerk reaction from buyers that is also being translated into a break above the green ascending trend line on the chart. A close above that line would be necessary to prove that a new uptrend cycle has begun. So right now, every time we try to become bullish, like the bears literally start to sell out, literally, and we just start to go down here. We tried to break out here of our previous support that then became our resistance of 22 cents. And right as we tried to break out, we were instantly rejected by the bears. The red areas are our supply and demand showing less demand, green areas showing more demand. But literally, even after we hit the green area down here, the bears took over and then it turned red. So right now we're definitely seeing 100% bears inside the market right now. But over here, you can see on the oscillator, there is some bullish movements forming up, meaning that the selling is starting to become less and less here on the oscillator. So pretty much what this is showing that is that since there's less volume, we're more than likely about to go bullish with more buying volume coming in now that there's less selling volume. So we might actually see a reversal. And as you can see here, you can see this says chance of reversal on the Vital Algo indicators. And the chance of reversal pretty much shows us what's about to happen before we actually have it happen. So you're probably about to see a bullish buy-in coming back in. You're probably about to see us past 22 cents again, and you're probably about to see another small pump. Hopefully it becomes a big pump, but we just won't know. It may just be a small pump. But anyways, as you can see here with Dogecoin, we are on the way down. But right now, we just need to get this bullish movement in, and that could actually have this chance of reversal being a nice uptrend. But like I said, this resistance right here at 22 cents is becoming a strong resistance for us now. We just now showed where the 22 cents was heavy resistance for us previously in that other article. But let's keep going over this. So right now, what we see with Dogecoin, Doge price was stuck in a downward or in a downtrend for most of November, with investors, not investigators, choosing safe havens like the Japanese yen and greenback. The trend weighed on Doge USD and accelerated the correction to the downside these past few days. So as the dollar takes a breather, bulls are seeing their chance to kick the uptrend back into gear and buy into Dogecoin price action. So Doge bears will be trapped by the knee jerk reaction of bulls, leading to some potential short covering. This in turn will see additional demand side volume pick up speed and a quick return to 26 cents. So a break above that level will see accelerated buy-in action as more bulls join the uptrend. This could eventually see a bullish breakout towards 35 cents by the end of the next week, and almost 56% of gains in making if bulls can close above the green ascending trend line today. So pretty much, if we can close above this green ascending trend lines that they have set here, which is pretty much setting us at 22.85 right now for the day. If we could stay above 22.85 by the end of the day, they're saying we're pretty much going to be bullish here. Now, as you can see, Dogecoin is down at 21.27, so 22.85. That's going to be pretty hard to pass. Hopefully we could pass it, but if we don't, our next support will be 19 cents. Right now we're at 21.27, so we could be hitting 19 cents soon if we can't pass 22.85. Now after 19 cents, I say 18 cents is another support line, but down here they say we'll more than likely drop down to 15 cents and then 13 cents. But that is definitely a lot of downside pressure right there. That's a lot of selling, so hopefully we don't go that low here at Dogecoin. Now, we do have some other stuff with Dogecoin. The Binance CEO pretty much said that he doesn't understand meme coins like Dogecoin and why they exist and why people like them so much. But over here you can see that he counters Elon Musk for bringing up Dogecoin issues. So the world's richest man pushes Binance to address some issues related to his favorite digital currency, Twitter. Twitter has become an arena for another cryptocurrency-related battle due to Binance experiencing ongoing issues with Dogecoin withdrawals. Pretty much Elon Musk, he pretty much said that pretty much on Tuesday, he said on Twitter to bring up issues related to Doge with withdrawals on Binance. So yeah, people are having problems withdrawing Doge on Binance. So Elon Musk is now taking to Twitter, trying to get people, or no, trying to get the CEO of Binance to really, solve this. So over here it says tagging Binance CEO Chang Pen Zhang, whatever his name is, Zhao. Musk wrote, "What's going on with your Doge customers? Sounds shady." That's what he said about the Binance CEO. So you got two big CEOs here now about to go at war here on Twitter. So he called him shady, which it is kind of shady. But anyways, Binance's official Twitter account took about 30 minutes to respond, arguing that there's nothing shady with the issue and citing a fresh Twitter update regarding the problem. The root cause is a technical issue during the recent upgrade process that caused old transactions to be resent to 1,674 users. That's pretty much what Binance said. So as a result of the issue, some Binance users have received old transactions, while some became unable to withdraw their Dogecoin. So we've kindly asked those that received the old transactions to return them. But a lot of people aren't going to return them, obviously. But we're aware that select users are having trouble assessing some of the wallets. So it's like they're asking people to resend the money because they got their old transactions sent to people. So do you really think people are gonna resend that money? Like if you just woke up and you had $1,000 or so in your account, are you really gonna send it back because someone else made the mistake, or are you just gonna either wait for them to take it out, or are you just gonna spend it? I'll probably just spend it. But anyways, the firm went to say that the issues occurred exclusively on Binance, as the platform has a different technical wallet setup for Doge. In order to fix the problem, Binance will have to rebuild the wallet entirely, which could take another week or so. Wow. I have some Dogecoin on Binance, but not much. So apparently not being satisfied with Binance's response, pretty much Elon Musk said this: Doge holders using Binance should be protected from errors that are not their fault. That's what Elon Musk pretty much said. And he was talking about Dogecoin developers explaining that the issue started a bit over a year ago. So Binance CEO Zayo subsequently joined the thread, stating that the problem is related to the latest Doge wallet. We are in communications with the developers, he added. Zayo also fired back at Musk by referring to the Guardian reporting that Tesla software experienced a glitch in October, prompting safety recall for roughly 12,000 vehicles in the US. Tesla eventually had to cancel the FSD update on vehicles to fix the issue. What happened here, Zhao wrote, apparently mimicking Musk's comment to the UN's World Food Program. So pretty much Elon Musk and the CEO of Binance have some beef here. And honestly, this is pretty funny, but Elon Musk is definitely coming at him because I guess Elon Musk is still bullish with Dogecoin, even though he doesn't talk about Dogecoin on his Twitter. He only, makes little comments on other people's posts. He doesn't make his own posts anymore because, the SEC is going to be coming after him. But anyways, over here you can see Dogecoin down 7.3% for the last 24 hours. Still 100% bearish here with Dogecoin, but we do have a chance of a reversal. So we could be seeing a reversal back to the uptrend here. I don't know how long that uptrend will be. I don't know if it'll be a long uptrend or short-lived. I just know that uptrend is incoming. So 9.9% down in the last 7 days, 21% down in the last 14 days. And I also know that another downtrend is also coming. Like 19 cents could come if we can't stay above this resistance. So if we can't stay above this line, then 19 cents is definitely going to be coming very soon. Now, I'm not seeing as many Dogecoin whales coming in with one-time purchases. So if you watch all of my previous videos, you can see how I'll go through at least 5 Dogecoin whales every day who came with a large one-time purchase on the day of making the video. And on this day of making this video, this Dogecoin whale came in $85.6 million. They still have some in there, 84.1, but this is the only one that I've seen who made a large one-time order today of yesterday and the day before that. This is the only one who's doing a large one-time purchase. This pretty much validates the downtrend that we're in. It validates the bear market that we're actually in. 100% bearish here in the 24-hour market control. But like I said, there is a chance of reversal forming up here. Now look over here at the vital algo indicators. Every time we do have the chance of reversal, we do go up a little bit. So this may be a short-lived uptrend. It might be very small. Now, if I look at it from the 1-minute chart, well, I'll probably see a better view of it. But yeah, it's not going to be much of an uptrend, to be completely honest. It's probably going to go up very little, and then it's going to end up going down very little. So that's how these movements have been inside Dogecoin for the past few days, past few weeks, honestly. But yeah, this is all I got today for Dogecoin. I just wanted to go over this because this was a very important update. Had to let you all know exactly what's happening here. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.